हेलो एवरीवन, योगा से कमाल होगा के इस एपिसोड में आपका बहुत बहुत स्वागत है। मेरे साथ जुड़ी हैं योगा एक्सपर्ट शिल्पा जायसवाल और इनके साथ हम बात करेंगे एक बहुत ही इंटरेस्टिंग सब्जेक्ट के बारे में। आप देख रहे होंगे कि बड़े अच्छे से बहुत नाइस लुकिंग ब्रास और आई वुड से सम अदर फैंसी मेटल है हमारे पास। हम सारा इनके साथ बात करेंगे व्हाट इज दिस एग्जैक्टली। अलोंग विद दिस हम बात करेंगे ध्वनि के ऊपर, दैट्स राइट, द साइंस ऑफ साउंड हीलिंग के बारे में। तो पूछते हैं इनसे सबसे पहले कि व्हाट इज साउंड हीलिंग एग्जैक्टली।
So sound healing is a very beautiful concept. It's a very ancient concept, to be very honest, and it has come into light now. People have been really talking about it and very, very grateful for that. So sound healing is an ancient technique of relaxation, self-care. It's a technique where the dominant sound alters your brainwave state and it helps you to relax and relieve a lot of stress. In fact, a lot of people who are having sleep issues such as insomnia, a lot of stress because our work lives are so sedentary nowadays and everybody's just running. I think this is a very beautiful way to kind of relax and alleviate anxiety and also make sure that you're giving yourself some kind of self-care.
अच्छा शिल्पा जी, इसके पीछे का साइंस क्या है? हाउ डज दिस वर्क?
Okay, so a very good question, and I would like to explain this with a very beautiful example. You know, our body is made up of 70% water, in fact more than 70% water. And in fact I'll show you something, and it's really magical because when I saw this for the first time I was really stunned. So this is my Tibetan bowl, my Kansa bowl, and I have filled the Kansa bowl with water right now. It's half filled with water. Now our bodies are made up of 70% water, more than 70% water. Now I'll show you some magic. You can see what's happening?
Yeah.
There's a beautiful ripple effect that happens, and now imagine if I put this on your body, or if I play this around your body, and our bodies are made up of more than 70% water. What is happening inside us? A lot of stimulation, a lot of blood circulation is happening, which really helps us to kind of, our body is so beautiful, everything is programmed so nicely. It just helps it to stimulate more, right? And this has been used from a very long time in treating a lot of cancer patients also. A lot of radiotherapy has been done through sound. In fact, right now how I'm sitting, the sound of silence, the sound of maybe a clap or me talking to you or you communicating something is also sound. Sound of the leaf, sound of the air, everything has a sound. And how it works is, it works on the basis of dominant sound. So when we listen to the sound of bomb, it's not very nice to hear. When we listen to our nails scratching, it's not very nice, right? But when we listen to children giggling, or when we go to a beach or a mountain, how do we feel?
Very nice, very fresh, very sort of rejuvenated.
Yeah. And how it works according to our brain waves. So because we are always running and we have so many things on our mind, there's so much stress and there's no work-life balance also nowadays. We are not able to reach the trance-like state. So this is a very good form, it's a very good technique to help you get into that trance-like state and feel really relaxed. So the science of the whole sound healing is very, very ancient. People think that it's very new and it has just come up. It has been happening since really, really long time. People used to practice this in our ancient India and treat a lot of patients. So this is something which is very, very pure. These metals are very, very pure and it has a lot of energy.
Acha, now I would like to ask that what is the connection between sound healing and yoga?
That's an amazing question. So people often associate yoga with physical exercises and physical postures and flexibility and stretching, but yoga has a lot of spiritual benefits. And there is this term called Nada Yoga. Nada means dhwani, it means sound. Nada yoga has been practiced since ancient times, and people used to use this technique to elevate stress and basically relax themselves, and it has been a very, very ancient technique. In yogic sequence also, sound healing is a very, very important part. And now when you do sound healing combined with yoga, and because yoga is already working on your whole body, sound healing works on your parasympathetic nervous system, and it helps you to relax completely. It helps you to alter the brainwave states, and it's really beautiful if you can combine yoga and sound healing together. It's a really, really beautiful process, and it really helps you to relax and get into that trance state. And in fact, a lot of students who come to me who have sleep issues, people are not able to sleep nowadays, a lot of IAS students and a lot of people who are preparing for CA, right? They come to me and they tell me that they are unable to kind of sleep, and I think this therapy has been really working a lot on them along with the yoga. So this is nothing new. This has been practiced in yoga from very, very long time, but I'm really grateful that people are now really talking about it, and this is again coming into existence.
Like you were saying about people not getting enough sleep, तो फिर often क्या होता है, fast paced lifestyle की वजह से लोगों को mental health issues होती हैं. तो how does yoga and sound healing actually help in dealing with such mental health issues?
Okay, so देखो, अब हमारा वर्क प्रेशर तो कम नहीं कर सकते. ऐसा तो नहीं कि हम ऑफिस जाना छोड़ देंगे, काम करना बंद कर देंगे, क्योंकि दैट इज ऑल्सो पार्ट ऑफ आवर कर्म योग, right? Working for ourselves and earning a bread and butter for our family, that is a part of our karma yoga, so we cannot avoid that. But what we can do is, and what is really lacking is that people taking out time for themselves. And I always say that आप योग कर रहे हो, आप योग प्रैक्टिस कर रहे हो, तो कम से कम अपना, अगर आप दिन में 30 मिनट भी निकाल लेते हो, ठीक है, बस 30 मिनट, ज़्यादा नहीं, तो भी आपकी बॉडी पे बहुत ज़्यादा फर्क पड़ेगा. आप योग में क्रियास प्रैक्टिस करो, आप प्राणायाम प्रैक्टिस करो, आप ब्रीदिंग अपनी प्रैक्टिस करो अच्छे से, आप मेडिटेशन में जाइए, आप 5 मिनट मेडिटेट कीजिए, ज़्यादा नहीं. लेट के मेडिटेशन करना, आप लेट के कीजिए. आप कोई भी फॉर्म ऑफ मेडिटेशन करेंगे, इनफैक्ट रीडिंग अ बुक इज़ ऑल्सो मेडिटेशन. जो भी चीज़ आपको सबसे ज़्यादा अच्छी लगती है, अगर आप वो चीज़ कर रहे हो, क्योंकि मेडिटेशन क्या है, बीइंग इन द प्रेजेंट मोमेंट, राइट? एंड साउंड हीलिंग भी क्या करता है, आपको एक ठहराव देता है, आपको बोलता है कि रुक जाओ, पॉज फॉर अ बिट एंड जस्ट थिंक अबाउट yourself right now, think about your present moment right now, what is happening in the present space. We are sitting here, both of us, and talking, right? That is a very beautiful way of awareness, and meditation is just being aware, it's just being present, right? आप योगा को साउंड हीलिंग के साथ अगर कंबाइन करेंगे तो फिजिकल बेनिफिट्स, मेंटल बेनिफिट्स, इमोशनल बेनिफिट्स, स्पिरिचुअल बेनिफिट्स. अब स्पिरिचुअली बहुत ज़्यादा इंप्रूव होंगे, क्योंकि सिर्फ योगासन नहीं कर रहे हो आप अपनी पूरी बॉडी पे काम कर रहे हो, आप अपने माइंड पे काम कर रहे हो, आप रिलैक्स हो रहे हो, आप डिसीजंस बेटर ले पाओगे, ठीक है? तो इस तरीके से योगा और साउंड हीलिंग आपकी डे टू डे लाइफ में, इतनी स्ट्रेसफुल लाइफ में आपको हेल्प करेगा, आपकी प्रोडक्टिविटी इंप्रूव करेगा. कितने सारे ऑफिसेज में आजकल लोग योगा प्रैक्टिस कर रहे हैं, तो क्यों कर रहे हैं? क्योंकि इतनी ज़्यादा बिजी लाइफस्टाइल है. बट एक बार अगर हम अपनी प्रोडक्टिविटी पे काम कर लेंगे, अपने स्पिरिचुअल हेल्थ पे काम करेंगे, मेंटल हेल्थ पे काम करेंगे, तो हमारी प्रोडक्टिविटी इंप्रूव होगी. हैंस अगर ये आप कंबाइन करोगे तो डेफिनेटली डे टू डे स्ट्रेसफुल लाइफ में आपको बहुत हेल्प मिलेगा.
अच्छा शिल्पा जी, तो मेरी को प्रोड्यूसर जो है, हर नेम इज ध्वनि, सो वेरी कोइंसिडेंटल, बट वो जब रिसर्च कर रही थी आपके बारे में, सो शी फाउंड अबाउट अ वेरी इंटरेस्टिंग थिंग कॉल्ड साउंड बाथ. So she was like कि ये ज़रूर पूछना आपसे, what is sound bath exactly?
Such a beautiful question, and ये एक्चुअली मुझसे बहुत लोग पूछते हैं जब मैं लिखती हूँ साउंड बाथ, क्योंकि कितना फैंसी टर्म है. बट आपने बहुत वीडियोस में देखा होगा कि बहुत सारे लोग ऐसे लेटे हुए हैं मैट्स के ऊपर, एंड वो एक्सपीरियंस कर रहे हैं साउंड को, एंड बहुत सारे बोल्स और क्रिस्टल बोल्स एंड बहुत सारे डिफरेंट इंस्ट्रूमेंट्स जैसे गोंग्स, wind chimes and rattles, ये सब रखे हैं, and they are just experiencing. So that entire experience is called a sound bath, right? So it's nothing but a simple class which is done in a group of people, and उसको हम कहते हैं sound bath immersion या sound bath experience. So it's a very nice way to kind of ask people to come in and lie down and just experience. and पूरा आपका बिलीव नहीं करोगे, पूरा जो रूम होता है जहाँ पे भी आप क्लास कर रहे हो, एक हॉल है बड़ा सा, एक इतना ब्यूटीफुल एनर्जी क्रिएट हो जाता है, एंड उस पूरे एनर्जी को, पूरे एक्सपीरियंस को हम लोग साउंड बात बोलते हैं.
तो गाइस जो भी गए हैं DLF एवेन्यू साकेत में, उन्होंने किया होगा योगा शिल्पा जायसवाल के साथ। अपना इंटरेस्टिंग सा एक्सपीरियंस हमारे कमेंट सेक्शन में जरूर बताएं एंड डेफिनेटली अगर आप कुछ इंटरव्यूज फ्यूचर में देखना चाहें तो हमें जरूर बताएं। दिस इज एन इनिशिएटिव व्हिच इज अ पार्ट ऑफ एक्टिव दिल्ली व्हिच इज बाय फाइंड योर फिट एंड DLF मॉल्स।